Samsung's Unpacked event is approaching, and we're getting closer to the highly anticipated introduction of the Galaxy S24 series, in contrast to Apple, which is still selling a 60Hz display on its 2023 iPhone models as we travel into 2024. With the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung hopes to establish a new benchmark for smartphone screens. Many people are unaware that Samsung was the first to come up with the notion of deleting unwanted objects from images. It's simply that Google promoted this stuff better for Pixel phones. However, with the S24 Ultra, Samsung and Qualcomm are taking this feature to the next level by allowing the object eraser to eliminate unwanted objects from videos as well. That's right. You may now delete unwanted individuals, objects, or anything else from your video clip, which is great. You may use the S24 Ultra to capture videos with personalized backdrops. The phone can create whatever background you'd like thanks to some clever generative AI wizardry. It's like having your own green screen, but without the trouble of a real green screen. It's very nice. You may use AI to extend portions of a picture using photo expansion. It's similar to what Google demonstrated with the Pixel 8. Speaking of Google, they also demonstrated the night mode for videos, which works much like the night mode for pictures but for videos. Essentially, it captures high-quality videos in low-light circumstances. It simply uses long exposure methods to make detailed videos in low-light circumstances. Qualcomm is delivering this feature to the 8 Gen 3 processor and the S24 Ultra. All of this amazing stuff is possible because to the magic of generative AI. Samsung will employ the custom 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which is much more powerful than this one. Interestingly, Qualcomm is using the term console-defying for its visuals and claims that their new Unreal Engine can upscale game sequences up to 8K resolution, which is ridiculous. When Qualcomm eventually unveils the processor in a few days, we're sure to receive a lot more information and features. But, for the time being, it seems like the Galaxy S24 Ultra with that 8 Gen 3 processor will be a significant increase owing to its fantastic generative AI. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.